Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today what we are going to see is uh, it's my first iPhone unboxing. Let's get started. It's a small video, just small video. Finally, this is my first iPhone ever. Most of my friends are having iPhone, so I got crazed. So I got crazy on iPhone now. I had my new iPhone now. So it's a contract actually from UK's #1 network. This package. There's hair mark here. There's another one. This is my gorgeous Sarah Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 gig. So premium and so good. Wow. So nothing, just a SIM ejector and a sticker, just 1/6 sticker. Then it's a cable, charging cable, I think. I don't know. There's no charger or anything else. No headset also. Nothing. I think I need to buy as an accessory. Unboxing of my iPhone, and it looks so premium, so premium. I love it. It's so beautiful, really. Okay, this is all about this video. Finally I got my first iPhone. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to Area Repeater channel, and if you have any other comments, please do your comments down below to my video. Thank you. Until then, take care. Bye bye.